Hey everybody, I bought something else from TEMU and I want to tell you all about this. It's a spy cam. Okay, I got this on TEMU for like, I think it was $17. And it is supposed to be a wireless camera. See, this is it. It's got the little antennae here because, you know, it's got to transmit. There is an app to download on the phone for it. The app worked. The camera sort of worked. Let me tell you. Do you see the tiny little button right there next to the charging port? That's the on button. And a little red light and a little blue light will come on when you push it. And it's powered up. It's going to be right up in here. You see any lights coming on? No. You want to know why? It won't come on unless it's plugged in. Do you know how disappointed I was to find out I'm not going to be able to spy on my cats and dogs when I'm not home? Considering I'm getting ready to take a trip. Let me fill in some blanks for you. I'm not that obsessed with them, but I'm getting ready to take a trip in about 6 weeks. And I want to keep an eye on the place because last time I went out of town, some things happened with my house sitter. I have a different house sitter lined up this time. I trust her so much. I helped raise this child. So I know she's not going to do what the last one did. But at the same time, if somebody else comes in, I want to know what they're doing in my house. So this was one of two. I bought a light bulb cam that, for whatever reason, they refunded my money and I didn't get it. They ran out. I don't know. I'm going to try another company. I've got another one coming for you soon, so keep an eye here on the channel for another light bulb camera. But this little, for lack of the better word, lipstick cam, it takes, you can see, you know, I've got a memory card. I bought it. You can get it with or without the memory card. The damn thing won't come on unless it's plugged into a charger. Cheap Chinese shit. You heard it here first. The TEMU, $17. It doesn't even have a name. Like, I knew what I was getting into when I started the TEMU gadget reviews. That some of them was going to be cheap Chinese shit. And that's exactly what this right here is. And the bad part about it, when it was plugged in and I was playing with it, it actually took a decent picture. Like, it's not the best, but it's good and clear. It's better than the drone. So that's something. And there's all kinds of controls. But what's the point of having a hidden camera if you've got to have it plugged in to work? Huh? No, there's not a point. So I get one free return with TEMU, and this is going to be it. The spy cam that did not spy. So if you're looking for some kind of home security, monitoring, to keep an eye on your kids, nanny cam, whatever. If you want to find out who's been stealing your yogurt and your pudding out of the refrigerator at work, don't buy this. Cheap Chinese shit. But if you want something to play with, check this video out. That's the drone I got from TEMU. I do like my drone. Flick of the dog here is loving it. Have a great day. Enjoy this video. Take a look at that video.